The following contains images and audio from real-life emergency situations. Some content may be disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
New dispatch.
Contra, engine 81 responding.
Engine 81 responding.
Fire Station 82. 82 Angle Spartan, cancel 81.
Engine 82, we're operating this to a commercial structure fire.
Truck 84 is available on radio.
Truck 84 available on radio. Truck 83, Truck 84, Engine 2, Engine 85, Engine 88, Battalion 9, Battalion 8, Safety Officer 2. Respond for upgraded commercial structure fire. One Spartan Way across of Putnam Street at the Park Middle School. A school called in stating the library office is filling with smoke. They're evacuating. Command Charlie 3, Tactical Charlie 4.
81 Charlie 4.
82 on Charlie 4. 88 Charlie 4. Truck 83 Charlie 4. 85 on Charlie 4. 62 Charlie 4. Truck 84 Contra, switch to Charlie 4 for roll call.
84 is on Charlie 4.
Battalion 8, Battalion 9, roll call complete. All units on Charlie 4.
Copy.
Contra, engine 81.
Engine 81, come fire.
Contra, engine 81 is on scene. Not showing from a single story. Like a middle school. We've established Spartan at sea. I'd like to stop at hydrant.
Engine 81 at scene. Nothing showing from a single-story middle school. Establishing Spartan IC next to go to the hydrant. The rest stay down on Putnam Street.
I see engine 82 stays at hydrant. I see, copy, thank you. Fire, Spartan IC.
Spartan IC, come fire.
Somebody cooking pizza rolls. Cancel the balance.
Come fire, copy. Pizza rolls, cancel the balance.
Can you tell me why the fire department was called up here today?
I know the fire alarm went off and an all call went out that said this is not a drill to evacuate. I ran through my quadrant that I'm supposed to clear and cleared it. And I called the maintenance department. And I checked the alarm panel and it said it was a photo sensor. And when I went in there, it was full of smoke. So I called 911 and I reported it, and then I finished clearing the building.
All the students were evacuated?
Yes. And the students that are unable to make it to our evacuation point 1 came to our evacuation point 2.
Anything else you'd like to add?
Watch it when you put food in the microwave.